Meaning of keylogger.
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 Keylogger. Keylogger refers to a type of software program or hardware device that is designed to record and monitor the keystrokes made on a computer or mobile device. This can be done with or without the user's knowledge or consent, and the information gathered by the keylogger can be used in a variety of ways, both legitimate and malicious. Some legitimate uses might include monitoring employee activity on company computers, while malicious uses might include stealing personal or sensitive information such as usernames, passwords, and credit card numbers.